Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I have my Halloween treat packaging class ready to go, or ready for you to register. In this class, we're going to use the Potions and Spells bundle. So you will need this bundle to put your projects together. So that's the stamp set and the dies. I already have my measurements for my cardstock. So let me show you the projects and then I'll show you what's included in the class. So this little Halloween like trick-or-treat bag is one of the projects. I put some tissue paper and some goodies in it. You can fill it up with whatever goodies you would like. I have another bag. This is a different type of bag, but you can use this to give you could probably fit a pair of socks or something. They're both actually good sizes to put non-candy if you want non-candy. And then these are our new book treat boxes, so it opens like a book. This is already adhered, but this is another project. And then this little box here, it's like the bubbles are coming up and you open it and it holds a little package of donuts, the Hostess donuts, and I buy these small packages at Sam's Club. Costco may have them. I've seen them just in smaller boxes at Albertsons. And they come at Sam's Club. You get the chocolate and the powder donuts. And then our other project is the little hand sanitizer holder, the cauldron. And then this little treat box holds, I have Werther's caramel apple candies in there, but I'm sure you can fit the, oh, I can't think, my mind's drawing a blank. Hershey Nuggets, that's it. So these are your 6 projects. Let me see if I could get them all on the camera. And so your class, this is actually going to be a to-go class and an in-person class. So you're going to get all the materials to make all 6 projects. You're going to get a full package of the Regal's Designer Series paper, a package of our new Natural Tones linen thread, and a full pack of these book treat boxes. There's 10 in there. So you're going to get all this for $64 for to-go. If you're going to do the in-person class, it's going to be $55. And then the reason that to-go is more is because the priority shipping. And if you'd like to add on the bundle, I'll pay the tax and shipping from Stampin' Up! And I'll just include it in your class kit. So I'll have the registration link below or above if you're watching Facebook, below if you're watching YouTube. If you have any questions, just let me know. Take care, everyone.